Geologic War Crimes. No, this video is thankfully not about actual war crimes. Rather, it is about the geologic equivalent of a fashion crime. Specifically regarding some practices specific sellers of minerals and rock specimens occasionally do, where they alter a specimen in such a way that the resulting product might as well be considered a war crime due to how hideous it becomes. So yes, this is a purely opinion-based video. Do not harass anyone that makes or sells any of what I'm about to mention, or the people or companies whose photos I show and/or reference. After all, beauty is subjective, and some people clearly do actually like these. Starting off is something that is far too common in my opinion, specimens like this piece of citrine. You might be wondering, but Geology Hub, what's wrong with this specimen? It is a yellow variety of quartz, meaning it is citrine, so what's the issue? And that's the mistake I even made as a teenager originally getting into the hobby. You see, this specimen when it was originally mined was not citrine. Instead, it was originally purple amethyst, a form of silicon dioxide or quartz with the same chemical formula, just a different coloration. That amethyst was then heated by humans to over 400 degrees Celsius to turn it a yellow color. In other words, while by many definitions the result is technically real citrine, what results from essentially baking an amethyst is an unnatural range of colors that many geologists like myself find ugly. To show you what I mean, this is what non-heat-treated citrine mined from the ground looks like. The two have very different color ranges, where unaltered citrine is generally a consistent, much lighter yellow color throughout, while the baked amethyst variety of citrine has a color range starting from white, turning a shade of yellow, and then sometimes even brown or orangish-brown in a spectrum. Natural unaltered citrine should not have a similar base coloration to fire agate. Next up, we have dyed agates. Agates are one of my favorite minerals to work with and collect. They are so wonderful to look at, have such a wide color range, and there are so many unique varieties with more being discovered every year. So please, why on earth would anyone dye an agate? Stop, it was beautiful beforehand. Common colors people dye agates are bright pinkish red, purple, and dark blue. Such coloration often looks unnatural and can end up concentrating within natural fractures or cracks in the stone. There are also a lot of specimens being sold that have some multicolor or rainbow coating that displays flashes of color, most commonly using titanium. The coating I'm referring to is not natural and turns an otherwise interesting mineral specimen with abundant crystal faces into a hideous mess. Here are a few examples of what I am talking about. Now, for the last group of specimens, I am not going to show any images because what is shown in museums has copyright protection. But if you've ever been to a natural history museum, you've probably seen absolutely stunning and large transparent crystals of various gemstones. Some of these are unbelievably large. Well, some particular artists decide to cut some of these large crystals and make specific carvings and shapes of the aforementioned unusually large gemstones. And while they must clearly have fans to be able to afford that line of work, I am not a fan of such, as to me it ruins what was a natural wonder. As a final note, I would like to thank my YouTube channel member Shirley for supporting my work.